What up, fam? Welcome back to another video. This is your girl Teresa Ardell, and I'm coming to you with a beauty video, a makeup video. I haven't done one of these in I think I did one. It's been a little minute. I know I said I was gonna try to do one every week, but child, such is life. It's 2020, child. Please forgive me. Anyway, so as you guys can see, I'm doing my brows with a random pencil that I got from the beauty supply. And I usually either use a pencil or a dip brow. It just depends on how I'm feeling at the time. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and spoolie these girls out. Okay, now I'm just taking a brown color from my Juvia Place palette, and I'm just putting it all over the lid. I believe that's what I did. So this look that I'm doing is basically, oh, you know what? I'm lying, guys. The color's from the Morphe palette, and it's just a transition color. It's a really light brown, a beige-ish color that I put on. This was like a really different look for me. So you'll see me dusting a little bit of pink in there, like up in the front of the crease. And then I'll go in with like a shimmery gold and put that on my lid. I was just doing something, something different. I didn't want to be like super structured, super like typical. I just wanted to do something cute and fun, do a pop of color and a pop of shimmer. Then I'm going to go in with my KVD Tattoo Liner. I love that stuff. I was good with the e.l.f., but the e.l.f. don't stick. It don't stay, and it doesn't stay black. This KVD liner is absolutely bomb. It stays, it sticks, it does all of the things. I'm gonna give myself a little bitty cat eye. No, it's not really a little bitty cat eye, but I'm giving myself a cat eye for my little lids. I ain't got no lids for real. And sorry that this is off camera. I thought that I centered it a little bit better than this, but I guess I didn't. Y'all, I have dropped a little bit of weight. I'm trying to get this weight down. I have a doctor's appointment and she's gonna be mad at me because I already know I'm not gonna hit where she want me to be when that time comes, but I've started. Better late than never. So now I'm going in with my favorite foundation at the moment, and that's the Estee Lauder Deep Spice. It's a double wear Deep Spice color, and like I just love the finish that it gives. So y'all, I was since I've been working out, I don't know if my cycle is coming. I don't know what it is, but my skin had broke out real bad the other day. And it didn't last long, honey. I got that stuff right on together. I had used my turmeric soap, put a mask on there, honey, and toned it real good, and honey, that thing was gone. So right here I'm using this Mary Kay concealer. I can't even remember the name of it, but when I say it's so smooth, like it's like one of the best concealers ever. I love it, absolutely love it. So I have two different colors. One is like a deep color, deep bronze, and then the other one's like a light bronze or something like that. And I use both of them because they really don't have like a really good range of colors. So I use both of them to kind of mix and give me highlight, but more so give me coverage, but highlight the area, you know, that I want to be lit up. And I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance Pressed Powder or Setting Powder, or however you want to call it, in that yellowish color. I don't know if it's banana or whatever. Anyway, y'all, sorry, I'm not real helpful, but I'm going in with that. That does definitely, it gives you a powdery finish, but once I put that MAC setting spray on that thing, we come back to life. Cause baby, she gives me ghost right now. Giving me straight up ghost. But it actually works. I don't know if it's better. I can't say if it's better than the Mary Kay. Mary Kay needs to come out with a different color. But this works. So you know I'm going in with my trusty Black Radiance Pressed Powder in what is it? Mahogany? I don't remember. Child, I can't talk. Anyway, and I'm going in and bronzing and slightly contouring my face. Dusting all of this stuff off my face. Try to bring down the ghostliness of the thing. Bring myself back to life. But now we're gonna go in with highlighter, and I use MAC Gold Deposit, which I still love. So it's like I just love it. I put that on, and then I put a blush on from Black Radiance, and line my lips, and now I'm putting these lashes on, honey. My lashes are so curly, so I have the worst time with lashes, putting them on most of the time. Sometimes I'm good, one take shorty, but a lot of times, well, I really don't snatch my lashes back off once I put them on. So if they flapping, and honey spreading their wings as eagles, then you already know. And I'm not going back to try it again, honey. It looks like I went ahead and set my face, and now I'm throwing this wig on, honey, because this is the end of this video. What did I use on my lips? I used a lipstick by Mary Kay. I will leave it in the description below. This wig came from Sam's Beauty, I believe. Yeah, Sam's Beauty, and I will leave that description to the next video that I'm going to be putting up. I'll leave that link, should I say, in the description too. And yeah, that is the look, y'all. I hope y'all like it. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in a later video. Peace.